Look at these two programs. Both produce the same result, but one takes 4 lines and the other takes just one. Today you'll learn one of the Python's most powerful shortcuts, list comprehensions. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn list comprehensions, a shorter and cleaner way to create lists. Let's get started. A list comprehension is a short way to create a new list using a single line of code. Instead of writing a for loop and using append, we can often do both together. Let's first create a program using normal method without list comprehension. So in this line, fruit.upper converts the current fruit name to uppercase, and append adds that uppercase value to new list. This process repeats for every element. Let's make the same program using list comprehension. The output remains exactly the same. So the important line is new list equals fruit.upper for fruit in fruits. Fruit.upper is what should be added to the new list, and for fruit in fruits, and this part repeats for every fruit in the list. Python automatically creates the new list, so you don't need new list equals to empty list or append. Let's use if with list comprehension. Only fruits with more than 5 characters are added to the new list. The if condition is always written at the end. Let's understand the syntax of the list comprehension. We first give the expression, then the for loop, and then the if condition, which is optional. So today we learned what a list comprehension is, how it replaces a for loop and append, and how to use an optional if condition. That's all for this video. Try converting some simple for loops into list comprehensions. It's a great way to write cleaner and more Pythonic code. I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!